yeah, for everybody that wanted to see my switches, here they are. Got clearance lights on and off, dome lights on and off, warning light master. There's your ambers. You hear it clicking up there. Kind of see them flashing outside. Ambers, reds. Got stop sign out. Finally got a stop sign on this, so that's cool. You can see it in the mirror flashing. So, master off. Oh yeah, and it's in sequential mode, so open and close the door. The reds won't flash unless the amber's been activated. That driver's fan. This one is for this driver's fan. Have a new one. Heater somewhere in the back, I think. I hear it in the back somewhere. Defroster. Left hand not working. None of the defrosters are working. See, that's right hand defroster. That's not. Oh, it's blowing. Left hand is not. Okay. Left front heater. Left rear heater. One of the rear heaters under seat. That's fine. There's no heat pump on this thing. Another under seat heater. Oh, there's the heat pump. Right. Oh, no, that's the strobe light. I'm not sure what that is. So that's right wiper. It only works on high. Need a new switch. Left wiper low, high, push to wash. That's it. So, yeah, if you want to see the warning lights. So, there's your ambers flashing. Open the doors. Go outside. Just got done changing the middle marker light lenses, so they look good, but there you go. That. Stop signs out. So, this was a spare they gave me. I wired it in, so works good. Opens and closes as it should. So I'll probably put an outside only decal on it. This one appears to be steel and not aluminum. So if you want to see the rear warning lights, there you go. So that's it. Got a little smoke coming out of the pipe, so I just restarted it. But yeah, that's it.